It is a trend to grow a longer and fuller beard nowadays, as they are becoming more acceptable in today's day and age. But let's face it, some of us don't have full facial hair growth or can't grow beards and would want some help in enhancing the growth and thickness of our beards. Last 5 years have seen a big boom in the men's grooming industry in India, targeting beards to be specific. So much so that the brands that have been iconic with shaving products have come up with their own men's grooming range. To meet the demand from these trends and aspiring beardsmen, these men's grooming brands have come up with a variety of products like beard oils, balms, shampoos and whatnot. And that too with big claims with zero to little evidence backing these claims. Or is it just about churning the numbers and selling to a bigger multinational and making that $1 million exit? The beard growth product brands today are making some really interesting and funny claims. One beard kit comes with 3 superpowers. Never be boring. Always be scoring. Bearded and bagged are always welcome in bed. 40% more beard growth. 10% cashback. Buy our beard growth oil and enjoy the beard and the swag that comes with it. I actually saw a beard growth kit being sold by a clean shaven guy. How's that? The only beard kit that you really need. Our 3-step regimen will give you the perfect beard in 6 weeks. Say goodbye to patchy beards forever. Hi everyone, I'm Rahul Bresra and I welcome you to my channel where I give you tips and insights on fashion, grooming and self-improvement. Today, we are discussing beard growth products. Are these products really effective? Or are these companies just making false claims or too big claims to just lure in the aspiring beardsmen? If I'm new in this beard game, it's so complicated to understand this overwhelming world of beard grooming products. So what is the reality? Beard growth products can help you wash, condition, nourish and promote healthy hair growth for your beard. Eventually, they will only encourage what your genes are capable of producing. Regular shampooing of your beard will help keep it clean and keep the bacteria and dirt away. These products can help your beard look denser, fuller and smell great. And some ingredients will help reduce breakage and hair fall by strengthening the hair shaft. But that's about it. If I were a brand, I'd end the promises at that and not take advantage of a desperate consumer looking for a solution. So where is the gap? Firstly, there is no miraculous growth. Simple reason comes down to your genetics. If your father or your grandfather had problem growing facial hair, it's really unfortunate, but eventually even you might face some problems growing your facial hair. Here is a list of the beard growth products on the market today. Number 1 is the beard growth oil. Most heavily marketed product out there. These are mostly ineffective and rarely do they have any ingredients that actually promote hair growth. Read the ingredient list, do your own research and verify what I'm saying is true. Next up are the Derma Rollers or the beard activators. This is a painful experience, but what these rollers do in combination with medicines like minoxidil can work to activate dormant hair follicles. There have been scientific studies to prove its efficiency. Please do your research, but I recommend that you should never try this without consulting your dermatologist. Next up are the beard growth pills or multivitamins. This is a whole new game of fooling the consumers by selling expensive branded multivitamins to target beard growth. It is proven that a few vitamins like A, D, E or B complex, biotin, zinc, magnesium increase and maintain the beard growth hormones. I recommend that you should work on your diet to include foods that are rich in these ingredients instead of jumping onto the easier option of gulping these tablets. Next up are the beard growth shampoos. Shampoos come in contact with your skin for literally a few seconds and no amount of such products can make any difference to your hair growth. It just helps clean. So please don't fall for this scam. Next is minoxidil. It is actually one of the only scientifically proven facial hair growth product and it is a regular over-the-counter drug sold very commonly for curing baldness. But it comes with a lot of side effects and you shouldn't have it without consulting your doctor. Even in case of serums and oils containing minoxidil, go for a consultation prior to use just to be sure of what you expect. And here are the realistic solutions that I propose with my experience at growing a nice and a fuller beard so far. And I think I've done a decent job at rocking a beard, I'd say. Do let me know in the comment section below what you feel about my beard. I think I'll feel reassured. First of all, I always say this, that every man has got unique facial hair and a unique beard. So you must love what you've got and you must embrace it. Comparing your beard to someone else is just like comparing your life to someone else's. It mostly leads to a disappointment. It's necessary to focus on what you've got. And I think that you guys really look amazing. And if you've got a patchy beard, I've made a detailed video on this. You can see a link here and you can click on it to go and find out the details. Also my personal experience with alopecia and how I dealt with it. I suggest that you use a shampoo and conditioner with natural ingredients. I've been using it for so many years and it works just fine. There is no need for a particular beard shampoo, and you shouldn't shampoo your beard unless there is a growth of at least 3 to 4 weeks. Now that you've washed your beard, next step is to condition and nourish your beard. You can use a regular beard oil for this and it works just fine. I suggest that you buy an oil with natural ingredients rather than something with chemical or petroleum derived ingredients. That's it. It's that simple. You washed, you're conditioned, you're good to go. I know this video is not going to go down easy down the throats of many brands and influencers out there. But I'm happy to place the facts as they stand and let you make the buying decision wisely and spend your money and time in the right direction. As always, here's a bonus tip for you. Have you ever wondered what actually goes into the products that you're using on your skin and your beard? And ever analyzed what these ingredients do to benefit or maybe harm your skin and your beard? So, form a rule. Next time that you're going to be buying anything for your skincare or beard care, make sure that you read the ingredients, analyze what it does, what benefits they bring to you, and then you make your buying decision. Alright friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that the insights that I shared today are going to help you become a smart buyer and not fall prey to the marketing of these brands. This is me, Rahul Badesra, signing out, and I'll see you guys soon with my next video. And always remember friends, life is more fun when you're at the top of your game.